This is the absolute best beginner lens you can buy. Today, I'm talking about why the 24 to 70mm focal length is the best focal length for you to buy as a beginner and why it will become a fast favorite in your gear bag. I use this lens constantly. This particular one is Sony's 24 to 70 f2.8 G Master lens. Obviously I use this particular lens because I shoot with Sony and the G Master lenses are the highest quality lenses that they offer. Plus the f2.8, the depth of field is just so good. So good. I love it. But you can pick up other versions of these lenses from Canon and Nikon and Sigma and Tamron for as little as £300 used, depending on what brand you shoot with and your budget. So why do I recommend this lens to beginners? First off, this lens is crazy versatile. The 24 to 70mm range means that you get a wide angle, a mid-range, and a telephoto lens all packed into one. You want to shoot landscapes? Bam, that's a 24. You want to shoot some street photography? You've got a 35 and a 50, and this thing will even shoot some killer portraits up at 70mm. This particular lens is perfect for photography and for filmmaking, especially if you're shooting anything run and gun like weddings or events. Because you can adjust your focal length on the fly, it means you'll never risk missing the shot because you were changing lenses from a 35 to an 85 to get a bit more reach. Moving on to using this lens for YouTube. This thing is perfect for YouTube. When you're out shooting videos every single day, the last thing you want is a massive, heavy bag absolutely packed full of lenses and gear. With the 24 to 70, you can go out and shoot for a whole day. Just take this lens, your camera, a spare battery and your microphone, and you are good to go. Use the 24mm to capture all your vlog style talking head stuff, and then jump up to 50 or 70 to grab all of that buttery smooth B-roll that you need to make the most epic looking videos you can. Essentially, you can go out with just your camera and this one lens, shoot for a whole day and come home with an epic looking video. And that's pretty freaking cool. So hopefully if you are just starting out and you didn't know what lens to buy, you do now. I would definitely jump on the 24 to 70 because it is a dope lens. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Please hit the like button if you did like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and be sure to ring that notification bell so you get notified when I upload new videos every single week. Leave me some comments, and as always, take it easy, and I will see you in the next video. Peace! I'm gonna drop this one day. It's just gonna happen.